Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri Justice Suryakanji, they have restricted time on all of us, so I may not refer all names here. Honorable Justice, Supreme Court, Honorable Chief Justice, Andhra Pradesh High Court, dignitaries and dayas and friends. And also here, distinguished jurists, mediators, members of the board, delegates and friends. This is a historical occasion. In my political career, I have seen so many times, but today is a historical event in the history of Andhra Pradesh. Honorable Chief Justice has spent one full day in Amaravati and Tirupati. We explained to him about Amaravati. We are all here. I am very happy on the dais. Honorable Chief Justice and also all judges are associated with our High Court. Two Chief Justices from Andhra Pradesh High Court are here. As a matter of fact, Amaravati is a people's capital. In the Indian mythology, Amaravati is the angel's capital. And also, living God, Lord Venkateswara Swami, is also here. They had a very good darshan. Today they have spent all day in Amaravati. I am assuring Honorable Chief Justice and also all Honorable Justice, even son of the soil, Narasimhangaru is here. And also Justice Bhattigaru, he worked in our High Court also, first High Court. And also today he shown his court hall also to us, where he served. And also Justice Bagchi is also worked here. Fortunately, that is where I told you historical day for Andhra Pradesh history. I am very happy, I am fortunate. Sir, we wanted to build one of the most beautiful city. When we gave a call, people came forward. We are prepared to give land. That is 33,000 acres of land. 29,000 farmers, willingly they came forward. It is a land pooling. This Amaravati is going to build land monetization project. Sir, I am proud to say the amount of confidence we are talking mediation, one of the best consensus project, Amaravati capital, that is built in the recent past, nowhere in the world. If you convince people, they will cooperate. Sir, now we are having very clear idea. So many cities are there. You have to witness time and again. Best model, green, blue, green energy, no pollution. I am assuring all friends here, all of you should have one house site in Amaravati. Finally, you will have a better living standards and your lifespan will increase minimum 20 years. That is, I am assuring you, that is the city we are going to build, most livable city. Sir, today, sir, you explained our justice city also. I am very happy you gave some suggestions. One suggestion, sir, you have given Judicial Academy, if possible more land. Sir, I need your cooperation. I wanted to build Justice City, one of the best in the country itself. You name Judicial Academy, you direct us as much land we are prepared to give. Second, Legal Service Authority. and also mediation center, even International Law University, Bar Council of India, they are establishing. By integrating all these things, the best justice city we wanted to build, we need your cooperation in the direction, sir. Sir, mediation, I'm very happy you are passionate. I have seen this concept. Even my father, I have seen my childhood. He used to work as a mediator. He was not educated, but confidence. Even that area, 20, 30 villages, they used to select mediators who are all respectably deal the issues. They used to deal number of days, 1 week, 10 days, 3, 4 sittings or 5, 6 sittings. Ultimately, they used to sort out the issue. Our Honorable Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh has rightly mentioned, he asked me, it is very less mediator's fee, 3,000 rupees. It is very difficult. Can you enhance 10,000? My people told me 10,000, all of a sudden, more than 3 times. I said, if cases will be settled, 10,000 is not the issue. Immediately for every successful mediation, we'll give 10,000. Even unsuccessful mediation also will give 3,000 rupees. Ultimately, I'm very clear as on now we are watching. India is moving very fast. Vikasit Bharat 2047. As on today, we are 4th largest economy. Another 1 year, 2 years, we are going to become 3rd largest economy. By 2038, we will be number 2 economy in the world, largest economy. I am confident 2047, all of us will work together. India will be number 1 economy in the world. That is going to happen. Sir, ours is the biggest democracy. You are representing Chief Justice of India. What all you are laying foundation, it will go a long way. Sir, we are all, one is country is having demographic advantage. Second is our economy is maturing very fast. Third one, first more advantage of technology. All of us, we are moving from IT to AI. Tomorrow we are going to move quantum computing also. Sir, I have seen for the last 4.5 decades in my life, I have seen there is no power. Today, on your roof, we are producing power. That is the day today. I have seen the day we don't have telephone connectivity. Today, sir, 4G, 5G, 6G we are talking. We are going to provide every home. When I became Chief Minister first time, with great difficulty, I bargained with BSNL 2 Mbps. With the 2 Mbps, I used to have collectors conference, teleconference, video conference, all these things. Today we are talking about gigabit capacity of telecom. So earlier, power was no power. Very soon we are going to export green hydrogen, green ammonia. That will be the biggest business for India. These are all the opportunities available. For all these things, sir, ultimately any delay in justice, it will be delayed development and progress and prosperity. So this is a very good advantage for all of us. Justice and development has to go together. Ultimately, as a policy makers, what all we are expecting at a faster pace development, and if judiciary also will cooperate in that direction, I don't have any doubt, sir, India will become number 1. Sir, what all I want to request from your honorable side. Make Andhra Pradesh one of the best model for justice city, either mediation or legal services or judicial academy. As you rightly mentioned, sir, if you can bless us, National Judicial Academy in Amaravati, we will be very happy for that. Total construction, even everything will cooperate with the judiciary, sir. With this, there is no time. I wanted to talk more and more. Under the same time, there is a restriction, limitation of time. But ultimately, today, I will remember forever. Today, all 5 justices of Supreme Court and also Chief Justice of India is here. Under their leadership, Amaravati will become hub for justice. We are going to provide not only mediation, you name anything in judiciary, we will be number 1 in that direction. With this, sir, I am thanking all of you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and forward-looking address. Your valuable insights and continued support for strengthening institutional framework and access to justice in the state are deeply regarded. We now arrive at the most invited segment of this evening, the keynote address. It's my profound honor and privilege to respectfully invite Honorable the Chief Justice of India and Patron-in-Chief, NALSA and MCPC, Honorable Sri Justice Surya Kantji, to kindly deliver the keynote address.
Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, my esteemed colleagues from the Supreme Court of India, Justice J.K. Maheshwari, Justice P.S. Narasimha, Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra, Justice S.V. Bhatti, and Justice Jo Malia Bagchi, Justice Dheeraj Singh Thakur, Honorable the Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court, Justice Manandar Nath Roy, Judge High Court of Andhra Pradesh and Executive Chairperson of the Andhra Pradesh State Legal Service Authority, my sister and brother judges of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, Honorable former judges of the High Court, Registrar General and other judicial officers of the Judiciary of State of Andhra Pradesh, distinguished members of the High Court and Vijayawada Bar, trained mediators, members of the legal fraternity, ladies and gentlemen, friends from media. The delay in arrival in this program and subsequent curtailment in time, this all the responsibility I must own before you. Due to multiple events today and because of my commitment that I had to leave for Delhi for some late evening meeting, that I requested some of my colleagues therefore we decided that my brother Justice Maheshwari and I, on behalf of the judiciary, will share our views. I must congratulate the Andhra Pradesh State Legal Service Authority for organizing this event, this symposium on mediation, with a very sensitizing theme, dialogue as cornerstone of justice, emphasizing on the importance and value of mediation as a very effective tool of judicial tool for resolution of the disputes. I no longer address mediation as an alternative dispute resolution mechanism. If you will recollect, the first international mediation conference that was held in Delhi, I propounded this idea that for the popularity of mediation as a very effective tool of and an ideal modicum for resolving the disputes through a win-win situation, let us not say it as an alternative. Rather, it should be a preferred mode of adjudication of the disputes. And I am very happy that as a national policy, thereafter the mediation is no longer quoted as an alternative dispute resolution. The mediation, all of you know, is something in our DNA. In India, you go by any centuries old, thousands years old, the entire history will speak how mediation has been always a very effective mode of dispute resolution. All of you know, Lord Krishna is quoted as the first a codified mediator who tried to resolve between the two warring groups. That story where Lord Krishna failed to mediate between the two warring groups also tells one thing which really puts us into introspection, and how then it becomes important for us to really emphasize on mediation. Because the two warring group, despite intervention by Lord Krishna, failed to mediate and resolve their dispute. All of you know what happened, Mahabharata. And therefore, this is how the two neighbors, to the people, to groups, they start fighting. And unless we have an effective mediation, this fight continues for decades and decades. And going by our system, where the courts are burdened with so much litigation, and there are multiple factors, the amount of court cases which are flowing, and the people are preferring to come to the courts, it is not possible for us to fix a timeline within which the matters can be resolved. Of course, most of the matters like family disputes or the commercial disputes, now that we have specialized courts, we are able to resolve those disputes. But there are certain matters which remain pending for quite some time. So in that kind of scenario, the mediation becomes a very, very effective tool for a resolution for us. Now, the question that arises about mediation is that let us first of all feel with lot of immense satisfaction that mediation has now a structured statute with the passage of the Mediation Act of 2023. Now that we have a statutory backup, and even the mediation resulted into some kind of settlement, those can also be now taken as enforceable decree. That itself is a very welcome step for encouraging mediation. The second thing about the mediation, that how to ensure that it becomes continue to be popularized. Three things, my dear friends, particularly the trained mediators, that we always need to keep in mind. One, the first of all, the parties must have trust and faith in the mediator. So it is extremely important that whosoever is appointed as a mediator, the parties take him seriously and they show that they have faith and trust in that mediator. So the choice of mediator is a very, very crucial factor. And the entire training program, particularly by the institutes like the State Legal Service Authority or the High Court Legal Aid Committees or any mediation committees which the High Courts have constituted, it's extremely important to select and panel the mediators. The second is the faith in the institution where the mediator is appointed. As all of you know, that judiciary is still trusted as one of the most faithful institution by the common citizenry of this country. And that is the reason when I was saying that there is a lot of inflow of litigation, because people trust judiciary. So therefore, if the mediation is initiated from the side of the judiciary, the adaptability and acceptability will be much more as compared to